Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Guinness and walnut bread. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take a saucepan, we put it onto a medium heat and we put in some black treacle. On top of that then we add some butter and some golden syrup. Just bring that up to a medium heat. We'll let the butter melt, and then to that we're going to add our Guinness. We'll give that a stir around, and then we'll just pop it to the side and we'll let it cool down while we get our dry goods ready. So we take a large bowl, and to that we're going to add some plain flour. Just sift it through. This will help to aerate the bread. Now we're going to add some salt and some baking soda. Again, we'll just sift those through. This does help the bread rise whenever it's in the oven. Now we're going to add some brown flour. Some porridge oats. And some chopped walnuts. Just give that a mix around to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated and mixed well together. So now that that's all mixed through, we're just going to add our wet goods. We just make a well in the middle, and to that then we're going to add some milk. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means that I can make further videos for you. Then we're going to add our Guinness and black treacle mixture. And then we'll give that a good mix round, just making sure we're getting all the flour from the bottom of the bowl so that everything's all incorporated. Whenever this is all mixed up, it should look like a thick porridge mixture. So as you can see, our mixture is nice and thick. Now time to add to our 1 pound loaf baking tins. So we just take our baking tins, we spray them with a little bit of oil, and then we add some just plain flour onto them. This will stop the bread sticking whenever it's in the oven. Now we'll take our bread tins, and to that we're going to add the bread mixture. So we'll fill them about 3/4 of the way up. This will allow the bread to rise in the oven. So now that our bread's all filled, we'll just take them over to a preheated oven, which will heat at 150 degrees centigrade, 300 Fahrenheit. We pop them in for about 45 minutes, then we raise the temperature up to 180 degrees centigrade. We cook them for another 25 minutes. Now as you can see, our bread is fully risen. It's cooked. We'll just take it out, leave it in a tin for about 10 minutes just to cool down. Then we'll set it onto a baking tray and just let it cool before we serve it. Now our bread's cooled. I'm going to cut it. I like to serve mine just spread with some Kerrygold butter, but you can serve this with smoked salmon, different types of cheeses. It's great with soup, any type of seafood, and various honey glazed hams. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.